So I will show you how to add a time picker in your form. This is an Angular application. So this time picker can help you select a time that is going to populate on a form field. Also talk about DatePicker, but in this case I already did DatePicker before now, so you can check in the description box, you will see this. TimePicker is very important in case you are building an application that might be used for meeting booking. Since meeting doesn't hold for the whole day, you need to select the time. Now these are the steps. There are only 4 easy steps to follow, and we are going to follow it right now. So if I go back to this application, if I go back to, let's close up this, and I'm going to go back here. I'm going to come here. So let's do it on a clean slate right here. We are going to add the time picker following these steps. The first step is to install the Angular ngx-material-timepicker, which you can see right here. Again, subscribe to my channel if this has been informative. If you have any question, let me know in the comment box. And also if this is informative, also like and share and let me know as well. So this is what you are going to do. You are going to first install this. So if you go to, let's say I come here, can easily paste it and then install. But I already installed it, so I'm not going to install it a second time. The next step is to import the ngx-material-timepicker module. So to do that, you simply go to your app.module.ts right here, and I already imported it. So you can add it to the imports. Once you do that, you also need to import the ngx-material-timepicker module from ngx-material-timepicker. All right, and the next step, which is step 3, says you need to add this to your form. So this is the input, and also the first thing is the input, and the next one is the template to actually display the time canvas for people to choose time. So I'm going to go to this page now. Is the the demo component, which I think is this. So let me go to the demo component. So it's empty, as you can see. So let me just first add a horizontal line, HR, and I'm going to add this. Okay. So if I save everything, you can see that the time picker appears here right now. So is this easy? So if I click, you can see the time picker appears, and you can actually select the time, 10:50. You can choose AM or PM. So I choose AM and it comes. So you can actually also click and change what you want to display, change to PM. So it actually works as well. Now, one thing I would like to mention is that if you are building this and your form is on a pop-up, like in this case, this form is on a pop-up, the time picker will not work well if you don't include this style. So if your time picker is on a modal pop-up dialog, you need to place this style on your styles.css file on the global style sheet. So you can see the overlay and also the time picker backdrop overlay. You set the z index would be something very, very high. So let me go to the styles.css right here, and you can see I already set it right here. You can see. So this is how to work with time picker. Time picker is very important. It adds professionalism to your application. So I'm going to stop here. Please subscribe to my channel, and also if you have challenges, let me know. Again, let me just mention, this is where I put all the tutorials, all the step-by-step for this. I'm putting it here in my website. This is this website. You can find the link to this website in the description box below. And also this step-by-step here, maybe I can put it on my website once but it's too small. So find it. I would like to put it in the description box below this video as well. So I remain kind on the Tech Pro, and we see in the next part.